We take note I. This we're going to look at the expressions at the beginning. At the beginning, stroke, end. Stroke, end. Alright, what do we mean by at the beginning? And at the beginning, we are literally talking about the end, literally at the end. Literally at the beginning. Okay? Literally at the end. Now, what does this mean? It means it has to do with precision as well. You are talking of exactly the beginning and you're talking of exactly the end. There is no wide margin between that. And you may actually be talking more of a concrete thing. So, for example, you can say at the end of the compound, we have to start with a capital letter. There is a tank. Now this leaves you in no doubt of the specific place we are talking of. So we won't use in the end of the compound. No, it will be at the end of the compound. Okay? So at also talks of it has to do with precision. The same thing with beginning. At the beginning of the compound, there is a tank. This one is literally talking about the beginning and the end. But if we use the expression in the beginning, what we have is that we'll be talking about the early stages. It may even have to do more with time. So in this case, we're talking of early stages with possible other development later. So we can have a sentence, for example, in the beginning, there were uninteresting movies, for example. It means later on, better movies started coming up. So that is how we use at the beginning or at the end or in the beginning and in the end. In the first one, when we use the preposition at, there is a precision, there is a specification. While the one we have for in the beginning, you have some margin, you have a gradual process that may not be so concerned with the precision.